Alright, so this squishy package is from Jenna Lyn Squishies. I've never ordered from them before, so yeah. Just came in this really long box. I did order a few squishies. Looks like there's a little pixie stick. And all these squishies came in this really adorable, cute, pink, like, drawstring bag. And she also mentioned that she included an extra gift in here because they didn't see my order until like way later, so. Alright, so here's everything that came in the package. It includes this little thank you card with my name. Then here is a bag of, a little thank you bag. And I think the extra gift is in here. So this is the extra gift. And it just came with some really cute stickers. And oh my gosh, look at this little My Melody plastic baggy thing. And here's some more stickers. And then here's a raspberry and cream Kit Kat. So these are the iBloom Squishy Gummy Bears, and these are like so tiny. They're a lot smaller than what I like kind of expected them to be. I think this is the cola one. Super slow rising. I'm not gonna take these out of the wrapping because they're not resealable, so this is the grape one. And I seriously love the little rainbow packaging. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna open these, but cut a little slit here in the back. Thing out. And in all honesty, it's not scented or anything, so I'm not going to bother taking this one out. But it's still super slow rising. And it's so tiny and cute. So this is the Hello Kitty sandwich cookie. Here's the tag. I think this is licensed 2017. You probably can't see it. Yep. 2017. This is honestly actually kind of dense. Super adorable. And look, it even has like little feet in the back. That's so cute. A little bit slow rising, nothing crazy. It's really kind of hard. So this is the Tokyo Luxury Relax Honey Aroma Soap Squishy. It doesn't feel very soft, but it is a little bit slow rising. Oh my gosh, so it actually is scented like a honey soap scent, which is really nice. And you can see the name's kind of engraved. It does look like soap. This is pretty cool though. Kind of dense, not that slow rising, but does look really nice. Alright, so this is the iBloom Triple Ice Cream Pen Sherbet. The packaging is super adorable. And of course, super slow rising. Oh, you just take the pen cap off, and then there's whatever this is. I don't think I will be using this pen because, like, but I do like the squishy part of it. And it has, look, it has little sprinkles on the top. That is so cute. Let me get some paper, hold on. Alright. That is a nice pen. And it is also, it's not scented like anything, so this one came in this really cute box. And let me just take it out of here. I'm gonna take it out of this thing. And oh my gosh, this is so adorable. It actually says what the ice crepe, strawberry crepe. And I really like how they did this. That's pretty cool. Here's your little iBloom licensing. You can't see it, but it's right here. Super slow rising, as always. And it has a very nice, sweet scent to it. Now, here is the one I got as a free gift. Let me see what's inside. Alright. So this is the iBloom, like, mini milk toast, the coconut one, which I don't have, so that's pretty awesome. Let me take it out of this thing. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It says thank you on it. So tiny and so cute, and the little iBloom licensing is right there. You can't see it, but as far as the scent goes, it is very, very lightly scented. I'm not really picking up much of a coconut hint, but